Here we go. This is from page 4. Here we go. Let's go ahead and record. Let's go ahead. What do we do? Hey, come on, everybody. Get pumped up. All right, let's go ahead and record this. I think I'm recording it. All right, let's go ahead and do number 1, guys. Number 1, numero uno, number 1. All right, so, and remember how you're checking them, all right? Don't just take a picture of it. Remember how you're checking them, because I need to see that. If not, I will deduct points, because that means that you weren't checking. You just left it blank. I know other teachers leave it blank and say, oh, that means it's right. No, 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 no. Because of distant learning, I got to make sure you're actually checking them. All right. So you're doing something, not just looking. All right. So here we go. So the first one, 5 to the third. What are you supposed to do? 5 times 3? No. 5 to the power. It's 5 times 3 is 15. When you have an exponent, that means you're going to get a bigger number. So how do you get that? 5 times 5 times 5. And some of you guys broke it down. You bit 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. So if you just wrote 125, put a little check. That's fine. So I want to see checks, guys. A check, check. That means that's showing me that you did it. You're actually doing something there, and you're checking the work. Now, if you put 5 times 5 times 5, just put 3 little checks. If you didn't, that's okay. Now, if you put 15, put an X and say, oh, I forgot to multiply. Forgot to multiply. And then put the answer. All right? Forgot to multiply. Simple mistake what you did. Just write it down. All right? So far, so good? All right, here we go. So the next one. Here we go. So 7 to the 7. Remember, you're going to have a big number. It's not 49. It's not 49. So if you break it down, 7 times 7 times 7, 7 up. Wait, mister, I don't have to do it because I know I'm going to add them all. All right? You're going to have to add them all up. So how many 7s? See how it's the same? 7 to the power of what? How many will you have? How many will you have? Yeah. 17. Yeah, whoever said that, good job. 17 to the power of 17, because when you have an exponent, that means like infinity and beyond. It's like way out there. You're going to have a big number. All right? Here we go. So if you got it right, put 2 little checks. You got the base right and the exponent right. So far, so good? All right. I know some people just got here, so I'm going to pause it real quick. Here we go. So x to the power 5 times x to the third. Well, they're all x's, right? You're multiplying. So it's going to be x. Some of you guys put 8 because you saw 5 and 3. But what about this one? Hey, yeah, what about me? Just because I don't have an exponent? Well, come on, man. I have a 1. Oh, sorry. So what do we got? Oh, thank you for including me now. Now we're what? X to the power of 9. Okay? X to the power 9. Now, if you did it the long way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then you have 1. And then you have 3. That's okay. 2, 3. Just put little checks. Yep, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. That's fine. All right. And then you got this one right. Put 2 little checks because the X is right and the 9 is right. All right. You guys got that? Cool, cool, cool. So far, so good. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Felipe just left the meeting. I don't know what happened to him. All right, here we go. Now this one's a little tricky, guys, because you got A, B, C, A, B, C. You got like 3 different letters, right? So what are you going to do? Well, you got to do the A first, the B, and then the C. So here we go. A, B, C. Let's go. Highlight the A. Highlight the B. You don't have to. Highlight the C. There you go. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Do, re, mi. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Na, na, na. All right, here we go. All right, so what do we got? How many A's do we got? Let's see. Let me call on people. Vicente. How many A's do you got? Do I got 20? Oh, wait. I got a 7, and then the one by itself is a what? It's a 1. So how many A's, Vicente? A to the power of 8. Good job. Good job. A to the power of 8. Don't forget this one. All right. Oh, yeah, don't forget about me, man. Come on. I want to be part of this ABC. You know what I mean? All right, now, next one. Caesar, Cesar. How many B's do I got? I got 8 again. Very good. Yeah. C, 2, 3, A, B, C. Oh, wait. And then we found Jacob. What about the C's? The orange ones. How many C's?
What's up, mister?
How many C's? I got C to the power 3. 4, yeah. Don't forget this one. Another one. Hey, man, you better not forget me, man. I worked so hard to train, man. I want to be part of this, all right? Yeah, don't mess with them, Cesar. Yeah, Cesar. Don't mess with me. I want to be included. Oh, sorry. Caesar, come on. Come on. So C to the power of 4. And that's your answer. Oh, yeah, man. Come on. Oh, man. I worked so hard and I'm training. Come on. All right. Sorry about that. I apologize on behalf of Caesar. All right. Now, the next one. So, on this one, if you got it right, this is how I want you to check it. Check the A, the 8, the B, the 8, the C, the 4. So there should be 6 checks. If you got something wrong, circle it and say, oh, I forgot the C, or I forgot the A. If you did it wrong, what did you do? You know, just write a little 3-word sentence. I forgot. I multiplied. I should have added. Should have added. All right. So there you go. Ah! All right, let me pause it. Let me pause this now. Here we go. Pause. Have energy. I don't know. Like water. I guess it's water. Oh, today I'll tell you guys later. All right, so now let's do the A's. All right, so I'm gonna highlight the A's. A to the 6 times A to the 5. That doesn't mean times when you do the exponents. Never. We're gonna learn that later. So how many A's do we have? Vincent Cuellar the third. How many A's do I have? A to the power of what? Vincent Cuellar the third. Oh man. So this is our 3rd week of school. So I'm gonna start marking people down. Or type it in. How about let's see, who else is Eric? Eric Vielmas. How many A's do I got? I got 6 and then 5. How many altogether? 11. So A to the power of 11. Now, what about the 3 and the 2? Do I add them just like the exponents? No. With those, you do what you've learned since 3rd grade, multiply. So 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is what? 6. All right. If you put a 5, just put an X. Remember, I am not taking points if you get it wrong. I just want you to identify what you did wrong. Oh, Mr. Then I didn't multiply. All right, whatever. So if you got it right, put check, check, check. All right. So far, so good. All right. Cool. So there you go. Now this is a tricky one. Now, some of you guys did this. Negative 2b to the 14th, right? Because you see negative 2, they're the same. But remember, do what you've been doing. Do what I taught you guys. Let's highlight the b's first, because it's b to the 7th. And how many b's do we got? We got what? Yeah, 14. We got 14. Again, if you didn't do the work, just copy it. Come on, guys. B to the power of 14. See that? All right, we got that so far. All right, good, good, good. Now look, what did we do with the numbers? What did we do with all the 3 times 2? Right? The 3 and the 2, we just multiplied. Same thing here. Negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, so what's negative times negative? Yes, positive. And 2 times 2? 4. There you go. See how easily you would have made a mistake? Okay, there you go. Boom. Oh, change down. All right, here we go. So it's 4. Put a check on 4. B, 14. All right, 3 checks. Again, if you put negative 2, just say, oh, forgot to multiply. All right, that's it. 3 words, forgot to multiply. Got it? Let's do this. Here we go. Woo. All right, let me try a different song. Here we go. All right. So let's go ahead. Ooh. Here we go. So let's do the 5. Okay. 5. Oh, let me record it. Oh yeah, here we go. 5, 3, 2. So there you go. So let's go ahead and multiply. Can I do that first? Yeah, why not? Mister, can I do the 5 times 3 times 2? Yeah. Mister, can I do 3 times 2 first? Because that's easier for me. Yeah. What's 3 times 2? 6. Then 6 times 5, 30. No, mister, I could do 5 times 2 is 10 times 3, 30. Same thing. No, mister, I could do 5 times 3 first. 5 times 3 is 15, and times 2 is 30. You get the same answer. Oh, yeah, we do get the same answer. Duh. All right, so it doesn't matter. So here we go. So we got 30. All right. Now we're going to highlight the x's. All right. You got 4 x's and then 3 x's. You know, in my life, I've had 4 x's. Yeah. That's all. TMI, right? You don't even know that. All right. What's it for? Yeah. Yeah. It's all good, man. It's all good. Here we go. X to the power of what? 12 or 7? To the power of 7, yeah. Because you're going to add them together, right? And then what about this one? Hey, man, what about me? There's nothing for me to add with. Sorry. On the next problem. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, actually, we could just bring you down. Oh, that's very good. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, I'd like to be part of this team. The 30x to the power 7 and the y to the power 2. All right, good job. See? We're all a big family. Oh, thank you. Yeah, the X to the power 7 will invite you. Oh, thank you. What about the 30? Hey, yeah, we'll invite you. Come on down. All right. All right, so there's your answer. You should have check, 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 check. All right, 5 checks. I hope you guys are enjoying this animation kind of class. It's all good. All right. So let's do the bottom one. You guys ready? So on the bottom one, all you got to do is say, okay, I want a negative. So let's do the sign first. Pause. The surfer guy. Oh shoot, I don't know. I haven't seen it. So I'm gonna write it down. The surfer guy from SpongeBob. Well, which one? Oh yeah, that one. Hey dude, Yeah, that. Which one? Which boy? Well, I don't know. They're just saying that you sound like SpongeBob. Oh, well, is it me or you? I don't know. It might be me. Yeah, it might be me. Oh, yeah, it might be me. Oh, it might be me. I don't know which one. Yeah, it might be me. All right, here we go. So positive times negative will give you a negative. All right, that's good. Now 6 times 2 will give me 12. So break it up. Do one thing at a time. Now R4 times R what will give you R to the 5. So we need one. R to the power of 1, right? But we don't need to put a 1. So there's your answer. Negative 2R. All right? Pretty good? All right. Good job. Put a check, check, check. And the last one. All right. Positive times positive is positive. Okay, that's good. 3 times what? 5 is 15. And then I got 8 to the 5th. Oh, times 8 to the what? Nadeline. If you could do this one for me, 8 to the 5 times 8 to the what will give me 7. 8 to the 7. 8 to the power of did you type it in? Sorry, I don't know if I heard you. 8 to the power of Natalie. Come on, I don't want to write your name. It's gonna go up. Oh man. Anybody? How about anybody? How about anybody? Anybody? Come on, vamos, vamos. Oh yeah, someone said it. 8 to the power of 2. So you gotta check, check, check. All right, and that's it. So that's it for the homework. All right, so that's it. The video, I gotta stop it. I hope you did well. All right, if you didn't do it, I hope you just copied the answer. Oh, here.